Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Bird Wars by MagpieOne. In MagpieOne's code we can see some when I receive blocks, repeat blocks, and switch to costume blocks too. Build up a bird army to defeat the boss. Next we have Zandas Adventure by Wacky Wizard Knight. In their code we see when I receive blocks, ask blocks, change blocks, and set blocks too. Run around the map defending yourself from the goblins as Zandas. Next we have Water and Lava by Cat Plant. In the code we see shoot blocks, fly up blocks, and when arrow pressed blocks too. This fearsome cat dragon is here to help you fend off the bad guys. Last but not least, we have 3D by epicducktime. In this text coding project, this user created a cool 3D simulation for you to play around with. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.